Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Chicago Ridge, local and long distance movers near me. Our team of professional movers will ensure your long distance move goes efficiently. Choosing our team to assist you means your cross country relocation will go without problems. With us, you receive all the right moving services to make relocating so much easier. In addition to loading, transportation, and unloading, we also provide a lot of other moving services, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Choosing to work with a local Illinois moving company might not seem like it's worth the price. A local moving company offers many advantages, which can make it well worth the cost. A good moving company is going to be able to save you time, regardless of how far you're moving. You'll also get to eliminate the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. Our expert movers offer effectiveness with every move. When moving with a local company such as 3 Movers, you receive a streamlined approach for moving day. It doesn't matter how large your move is, we can get it done easily and quickly. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Chicago Ridge moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.